Morning, everybody. Good morning. Beautiful day. And we are blessed. The day have started. We woke up this morning. Let's go through the shebah. You know, this is not a financial advice, just for entertainment purposes. And we are doing the paper challenge to 30,000. Um, this is not a financial advice or any recommendation for a trade or anything. Your trades are your own. So I like Apple here. It's a really narrow range. Really, it's in a tight formation. My bias is it's going to open somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. Okay, right here. So we'll see. It can it can go either direction. Okay, hoping for a pop to the top. I'm looking at the 1 hour. Our target should be 262. They would go after taking these shorts right here. So to create more liquidity and continue going up. And let's see when the market open. I didn't see anything else that I like. Mister's kind of. Let's look at the 2 minute. I usually do the 2 minutes and the 1 hour in the morning. Let's look at Mister on the 2 minute. Okay. Apple, Nvidia. Where is the 200? Nvidia might dip down because of that. See that move right here? 200 is rising up. So, good morning. Yeah, it will be. Promise you. HUD right here. Disk is right here. I don't like any of these. Uber, no. See, like whenever, like you see that market, this thing been just pushing up and up. There's a chance we might correct on this too. AMD, Oracle. Everything's moving up. See how that 200 is slanted up? That's how you know the stock. And like this one right here is been dumping down. Baby, serum. I don't know what's going on with serum. It's just been. Did it move up? 173. Wow. On the 200. That's where it's going to open right here. This is a good one right here, actually. Ah, like it. Where's it going to open though? 224 right here. 499. Wow. That is extremely interesting. Uh, this might pop right to here quick. There's nothing here. Open space. Oh, wow. 245, that's impossible. I get to 230. 226. And it might liquidate these suckers right here first. 214. It's a big dip. Ooh. I like this. This is beautiful. Not bad. Let's look at Apple compared to this. Apple looks good too. It's kind of tight. Usually we like the thing that I go for is like this. I want, like, you know, in the market is like when they accumulate, they're accumulating right here. So in the morning you have an explosion either this way or that way. And that's what I'm trying to take advantage of every morning. Like something that they've been accumulating for a while, like a coil spring basically. Tight, and it's ready just to roll out. That's what I look for. So far, Apple is offering that. HUD exploded yesterday. Disney is not that good. I have 3 more minutes till the market opens, so. Google, AMD, Oracle. I donated so much money to Oracle, I don't even know I still have it. Oracle and Amazon. Those are the ones on my hit list. I do like these two stocks right here. BA, Boeing, and Apple so far. Everything else I don't like. JPM. Ooh, JPM too. That's a solid. And 312. It's gonna open right here. Damn. Yeah, a few good ones. Microsoft. We look at Tesla. Tesla's gonna open. Where's Tesla gonna open at? 392. Wow. That is freaking crazy, man. Finally, I'm gonna get my money back, guys. If it's true. No, it's opening 366. I'm dreaming, man. I'm hallucinating. I need that liquidity to start trading, man. All right, let's look at. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna switch on the 2-minute here. For some reason, the 2-minute will not work on this screen. So let's switch to the 5-minute here. I leave it on the 2-minute, so I'm gonna leave BA here and Apple right here. Okay, I'll take the best one of them all. See how they're like spring coiled? We'll see what happens when they open. Market's gonna open in 1 minute. I usually wait the first 2 minutes, minute and a half, make a decision. There we go. Apple opened good, in a good location. I don't want to mess with anything. So right now, everything's settled. That's why you wait for the first minute. Here comes the drama. Okay. Apple is doing what it's supposed to do so far. I like it. And I'm going to take Apple long. And I have to reload because it doesn't show. unfortunately. There's Apple. And I can add more to it. Let's keep an eye on BA Boeing. Okay, Boeing right here. Jesus Christ. Okay, so far we're making $71 on Apple. I don't like Boeing so far. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. Either going to go up or down. But we should put some kind of a target on right here because it's going to be strong. It does weird things, man. It's just like doesn't let you do nothing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Islands. Here's the first support right here. Let's see. You have to liquidate these guys right here. I am positive. Okay. Can we like do something here? Let's see what's our stop. We're gonna put maximum below that 200, which is right here. We are at the 15 minutes. We were supposed to be on the 5. Forgot that. Okay. Oh man, he took that new high already. And also right here. Jesus Christ. Got screwed so far. Back this a little bit more. See how the target changes when you change the time zone? If this bar holds above here and stays, we have a chance of I like Boeing. I'm gonna take it long. Market order rejected. You're gonna have enough fun. Damn it. Oh, we can get at least 25 shares, man. All right, we got 25 shares in. That's not bad. Give us a chance to try it. See if they let us have more. Nope. Damn, I told you guys, look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Well, we need to get rid of this Tesla position. Eventually we will. Okay. Like this. I'm going to exit out of this one right here. I don't like it when it goes like this. Like, it stays like kind of like that. It's just choppy. $11, not bad. Let's see what is it gonna do. Most likely, like when you have like especially in the morning, like you have a candle this way, then it goes this way, then it shoots up that way. Most of the time, it would just sit here and just Just take all your profits. Look at this uniform play right here, you know. It's holding up here. It's telling you, hey man, I'm gonna push. Hopefully. Remember, when we're trading variables, so nothing like solid. It's just doing odds. So any play you see, like I took profit right here, so that's good enough for me. You went back down. The reason it did this massive tail right here, they liquidated all these guys right here. Everybody got liquidated. Everybody just scared shitless. They exit. So when they exit, they just took all that, and look at that. Look at this massive exit right here. You can see it right here. And they came in and bought all that, and it gives them this push right here. All that sell order created liquidity right here. But this is the bad boy here. We need it to take off. It's struggling. My average should have been here. But there's nothing I can do about it because of the orders. Might take off this high, guys, on Boeing. It's going to hit that 24. But mostly it will stay here for a minute. Choppy. Like everybody went long. Now they're going to go below this line right here. Liquidate here. And let's look at something else. We're done with this one. Same scenario happened on Mr. They liquidated everybody up and down. Look, these people got liquidated. These people got liquidated. And we centered. We're already in Apple, so I'm going to take one off Apple. Just in case. Decided to pull back, we can add to it. That would reduce my risk. I'm going to take another one off. I'm going to leave 100 share. Let's look at NVIDIA. Oh, Jesus Christ. Leave it up here. What's NVIDIA's doing? NVIDIA look good. Still running. But I won't show it. Oh, what is this? Palantir. Wow. Beautiful bar. Hood. Did you guys hear the news about they approved the they changed the $25,000 rule. Now you can trade with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. You don't have that $25,000 rules, but the institutions, they have 18 months to implement that. I think Robinhood's going to be the first one. That's why Robinhood's pumping. I seriously think Robinhood's going to be the first one that implement the rules. So basically what it is just back in the days, like you have to have 25,000, and if you go below 25,000, they won't give you leverage. Like you can't trade more than 3 trades a week. All these stupid rules with your own money, like, and I don't know what the hell was that. But anyway, so now if you have 2,000, 4,000, you can buy like 4 shares, 5 shares. You can trade them all day, which is good. I would swing trade if I'm buying 2 and 3 shares. I would like do daily and weekly. I will do daily and weekly. Let's look at Apple. Still pumping, which is good. We don't have size because of this Apple, because of this Tesla crap here. Hopefully we get some. We need to live through this pullback, add more. See if we can get some more here. Let's see. Go back to Apple. That's why Robinhood is pumping like crazy, man. And I was calling on that. Somebody buy it. Meh. Robinhood to 100, guys. On a swing trade, I truly believe it. It's going to correct back probably to retest. I can look at it, but not right now. It been pumping. It been tearing up. Ooh. AMD, Oracle. See the SPY. SPY still going up, which is good. Oil is dropping. If you see oil dropping, I gauge oil with Exxon. See, this got liquidated. They might shoot back up. They liquidated these guys, but the bigger target I think is right here. I would love to take it long right here, but this is a good one right here. You can take it long. It's a nice tail. I like those tails, but the 200 is on top of it. Oh, my stop right here underneath that bar right here. I think Apple will go up to here. That was my target. Let's see if it does it. Let's look at NVIDIA. Okay, double tails. It's a good short to the 20. Because I'm going to short NVIDIA right here. We got 150 shares. Profit at the 20 right here. The reason being is just like it went up a little bit. The 200 is rising. So it might do a correction, a little correction right here. Let's see if it happens. Damn, Apple, calm down. I don't like when the drop is below 50% of the whole move. If it goes back to break even, with exit. NVIDIA is going toward that target. Hopefully we'll get it fast. Remember, guys, I told you about whenever you see the 200s is rising, most likely the stock will pull back because it's been pumping. Look, it didn't even touch the target. We'll take one off here. Oh, buy one. Sorry. We were late. Ooh, almost touched it. Just missed it by a hair. Okay, I'm gonna reduce this. I'm gonna reverse this. Let's see if we can get it. It's a good reversal right to here. See if we can get through this. If we can crack this bar right here, we can go back up here. Right here. I'll put my stop right there. Freaking Apple, man. I want to take a full stop on this. See if it pumps up a little bit. I can exit this position. See how it hit that 200? It broke the ice on the 200, so most likely it's going to continue down. No direction today. NVIDIA. Let's put it right here. Get that money. I'm out of Apple. They've fizzled like a mofo. They took the they took this stops right here, all the shorts. Now they're gonna take all the longs. God knows what's gonna do. This one right here, we missed it by a freaking couple of pennies, man. Looks like pump and dump today. I'm gonna, if this get liquidated right here, I'm gonna take this long right here. See this 50 shares? Think of it of 1,500 shares, okay? Think of it as 1,500 shares. So right now you're making $100 or 150 bucks. It's true, it's 50 bucks, but you're practicing, so think of this $1,500. Think of this 50 shares as 1,500 shares, 2,000 shares in the future. Okay. Think of this entry right here, 125. We wrote it all the way to here. We're like, you put in 2,000 shares. Okay. You would have made like $500-600 bucks. You're done. You're on your way to the beach. Okay, I need it to dip a little bit more. I needed to whack these guys right here. Almost did. Hopefully we get a little more dip. Okay, I'm gonna take one NVIDIA off. Took my position off. That's where it fails usually if it's not gonna create a new high and dump. Always people get screwed right here. At this pivotal point right here. Man, I was hoping this thing will dip a little bit more. So close to the 200 too. It might create like 1 bar, 2 bar, and just continue down. But I wanted it to just take these off right here. So you took the stops right there. Most of the stops would have been here. Might create 2 bars right here. My God, Hood. Ooh, I was gonna buy those calls on it. No, it was over. Yeah, oil is dropping. Like everything is the opposite of oil. If oil is like the prices of oil going up, the stock market goes down. Let's look at IBM. Let me look at ALAPS. Same scenario. See, this is what I'm talking about. I would have took this long right here. The minute they liquidated these guys, this showed up. This is a lot of money, guys. This stock is a beast. This would have been 169.58 all the way to 171. That would have been $2. There should be a second bar on Apple. Damn. Just got hammered, man. They liquidated these guys. They liquidated these. They liquidated these. It's absolute brutal. Next target, possibly this one right here. See if it rips through this. Already ripped through it. Went up. Stayed in the 50% area. Failed to continue. That tells you it's going to go down. I like it. I might show it. Look where it put me. Even like, how much is the spread on this thing? It's 20 cents. Put my stop right here. This is a very volatile stock. Let's see a retest. It's going to retest this. That might be a double dip, guys, and it continue up. We're not risking it. Is there any tweets today? Iran war very close to over. Oh, good, good. That's good, that's good. Here comes the double dip. Let's see if it takes this right here. Needed to confirm here. Still neutral. Basically, we're up 20 bucks for the day. Target right here. See if we hit that target. See, when you want to buy these stops right here, this strategy, you want distance from the 200, distance from the 21 and the 8. You want a little bit of distance. So when this thing, like, see how there's distance here, right? You see how there's distance here, like it fired up. So you want a little bit of distance so it gives it juice to pump up. Otherwise, you'll be stuck like here and just you're waiting and waiting and waiting. It takes forever for it to go back to 50%. This is the last 39, 38 seconds. It's very important to watch the minutes and you watch the last 10 to 15 seconds. Most of the time it will show you what direction. If it pushes with the red, see? If it pushes like the last 22 seconds. If it pushes red hard, that means we're going down. Let's see how that goes. I won't take Apple long here, guys. It might fizzle back down. There we go. That's good sign right here. Crack this one right here. This could be a double dip where it shoots back up, or it continues down. Remember, we only have 25 shares on it, so right now it's either going to work or not. So I'm going to put my stop right here. That's it. Here's my target. Hit my target. I should raise the target a little bit. Jesus. Okay, I'm going to buy it right here, guys, because they liquidated these guys right here. It's going to fire back up. So we made $35 on that trade. Okay, let's see what happens here now. Let's see. Okay, I want to switch now to the 5 minute. It's more accurate. We're already on the 5 minute. Everything settles. Okay. They took this off. Need a little more dip. A little more dip. Oh my God. No, I can't do that right here. A lot of people don't know this. Do not widen the chart like this, or like, you can do this, right? But whenever you want to expand the chart or do anything, use the positive and the negative. Do not use the bottom. It skewed the chart and it misses it up. But this here, it's like right there. Okay, so you want to use the positive and the negative. It's the origin of the chart stays the same. And I wanted this to dip just a little bit more. I was iffy about it giving us another bar right to here. I was going to enter this. Seen this a million times. I'm going to wait on this bar to finish. If it stays right here, I might take it long. I'm going to go heavy on it. Here we go. Took profit right here. See, I'm still doing it. There's the next target right here. This thing decided to continue down, but we are in positive territory right now. There we go. Trying to make 400 bucks today. Don't let that fool you right here. This is a short. The trend been broken. It shouldn't be done like that. Do not let that fool you, guys. Be very careful here. Very careful. Let's see. display. I want to see if they dip this a little bit more. Then give us double tails. If they give us double tails, it might shoot back up. There we go. This might be like this scenario. Hey, Timmy, we're going down, whatever. Like, I was watching this YouTuber. He's like, oh, we gotta go down. And then they take all your profits. Here you go. Here's the 50% right here. That's the critical point for Apple. 50 to 60% right here. Let's see what this sucker does right here. Look it up. They took the top. They give you the illusion, right? Look. Went up all the way to here. Throw that tail. Boom. We're going up. But boom. Now we got to see if they do the same thing here. See how they did this little tail? I want that little tail to happen here again. Right here. Drop down like a little bit and show me a tail. Hopefully we can capture $1 or $2 on a retracement. The way I do it like this, like I would go with a line right here. You want to see clearer? Okay. And mark the 50%. Where is the 50% on this? Here's the 50% right here, actually. Right, 50 to 60% right here. Now you wait here. You don't do nothing. Oh, people lost money this morning. There we go. Okay. This is the last 17 seconds. 16, 15. See how it shot up? Shot up. Okay, let's see. Okay, 6. Let's see, 2 seconds. All right. Comes the new bar. See if they take a stab at the red. I'm gonna take this long. A couple of dollars right here. $282. Spent a lot of money on this play. Hopefully works. I want it to work. To play my music so I can Manifield. He's trying so far. Hopefully won't break through that. I want to break that number right there. Stay solid. Give it a little bit more room just to here. I don't want to get liquidated right here and it goes back up. Let's see. Go, they liquidated the longs. Hopefully it fires back up. I'm gonna reduce my position. If it goes back to break even, it pops back up. Oh, like that's a solid red bar. And have a follow through. Damn it. Hopefully we'll survive it. No, I guess not. We're screwed. Gonna lose almost 383,000 on display. Bam. You know the mistake I made? Well, I was telling you in the morning. It's too close to the SMAs. Oh, the next target's right here. Took a massive hit on this trade. See, Volunteer showed up right here. I'm gonna take BA long. Whatever they give us. See if he shoots to Apple fully recovered. I even give us 25 shares. Freaking Apple, man. You gave me that play right here. Ah. Reduce this a little bit. The 8 dumped a little bit more. Looks like I'm respecting the 8. Taking a chance on this because the 8 just dumped, so we're risking $1.25. I'm gonna short Apple right here. So I can get more shares on it. Alright, sell. Whatever they give us, we'll take it. I'm gonna take a couple here. Another one right there. Might stop to break even. Get a little bit more juice out of it. Okay. Tesla's recovering, which is good. I like this play here on Mister. I don't like stocks that correlated with something else. Kind of funky. AMD, Oracle, SPY. Target should be right here on JPM. Not done yet. Market is weird today. It's extremely choppy. Look at the 1 hour on this thing. Solid red. Stop with you right here. So far, we haven't got a good trade yet. If this takes off this red, might take it long all the way to here, get my money back. Very healthy right now. When I get rid of this, I can do size. It's getting very close. I don't know how I did this. It's like 150 shares. I don't know. I was playing it. I forgot about it. Whatever. And this thing just ripped down, man. I want this one to pull back a little bit more. Missed it. I was trying to get a better price just for it because it touches just the 8. So I'm going to pull back 50%, but now it's too late. Got an Apple, man. BDM, the hour. It's still firing up. Google's firing up. Right here. EMD. All the AI stocks are pumping. Got Tesla. Trying to exit right here. Oh. Missed some juicy plays. Visa. Ooh. Absolutely beautiful. Missed it. Hesitation. Ooh, that was like $1.65. Hesitation. Ooh, man. That's the correction I was waiting for right here. I'll put my stop right here. What I got me $1. Some days you're just confused. Nvidia went up like 10% or 12%. See, Palantir rips through here, might continue going up. Disney just see Disney on the 1 hour. Target is right here on Disney. Somewhere on here. They're going after these guys right here. See if I can take Disney long. See it on the 15. They're matching. Here's the 10. Here's the 15. Disney is extremely slow. Google. Why? See right there. Boom. See if Disney. Where's it? 102. 101. Okay, they liquidated these guys right here. Failed to make a new high right here. Just to take these off if it's going to continue down. See what happens with ALAP. Look how beautiful that bar is on ALAP. I'm going to liquidate these guys right here. I'm going to go long for this play, guys. 200 shares. This looks nice. See how this bar eliminated 2 bars? Target should be right here. 360 bucks if we can get it. So we enter ALAP long. See if it touches our target, hopefully. Make $360 if this thing touches. Let it do its thing. Near an even number, so we should touch that. So I'm going to take one off at 172. Give it to us. Still 90 cents away. Go Disney might pump all the way back up here. We took out these shorts right here. You know, this puppy to shoot up. You get all losses back on it. Needs to break that support. we can get this play on ALAP, it will bring us back to break even. Reduce the size if we can get turn green on this. I'm gonna reduce one. That's double tails. I'm gonna wait on it. I'm gonna retest the bottom on this. got rejected. We're gonna take it long again. See if you can get this play. Back to that target right here. It's just the spread on it's huge. This thing moves. If it moves to that target, we'll make $208. Well, might hit our target, possibly. We were so close, man. Seems like this is the scenario this time. Just get so close to your targets and it just fizzles. 43 seconds. Needs to fire right now or it's going to be fired. Nine, 8, 7, shoot up, not down. Need to fire up. Didn't break structure yet, so basically sideways kind of. Come on. Are we gonna eat shit on this or is it gonna be good? Might be a good one, guys. Hopefully. Up my target a little bit up. Just need it to fire up. GZ. My thoughts are telling me to reverse this. I'm sticking to the game. That's when your ego's kicking in hard. It's like you're like in a flight mode and you're just, your brain's trying to get you out of that pain fast. That's one of the biggest problems in trading. So I try to focus on the music. Your mind can play so many games on you. It's crazy. Just completely took a nap. Wasted the whole morning on this play. Just stand still. Play music for the love of God. This is the ultimate support. There's another 15-minute, 10-minute. Go green up. Go green up. The last 11 seconds. We needed to push green more. Need the price to push up a little bit more. Not push down. Push up, don't push down. Amazing. Absolute neutrality. There's volume coming in, the spread is tightening up a little bit. Might explode up like just like a pop. Catch that pop. Either way, up or down, if it pops up, we'll be golden. If it pops down, we're screwed. Be a little bit violent. Pop down. That's good. It can hopefully get reject. Then it's green again. Crazy, huh? Literally 30 minutes of nothing. Pop to the top. Okay, I don't like this. I'm gonna reduce my position here. This bar turned neutral. Put my stop right underneath this. And I'm gonna move my target up here. Did you look at Apple, man? They needed a little dot right here. Radius bumping. Gear hood. Look at the hour here. I want to see a liquidity sweeps on these. We still have 22 minutes. AMD is just ripping. Oracle's pumping too. Okay. Took our stop on that. I'll think about losses today. Okay. SPX. JPM. Oh, JPM is nice. They took liquidity right here. JPM. There's a little bit of distance too. Our wrist already moved up a lot. Man. Tesla, man. Tesla's on fire. We're going to get our money back. $58,000. That would help us tremendously. Look at the 1 hour Netflix. Indecision, Microsoft. Tesla's freaking booming. SPX, BA, Serum. $177. Liquidated these guys right here. They did hold on the 1 hour. I'm gonna take this long, whatever they gave me. See if we can add another 25 shares. That's good enough. 250. Gonna put my stop right here. Target is right up here. Retest till the top. This is on the 1 hour. So adjust the target on the small time frame. Leather on here. More acceptable. Yeah. Bum. Come on, sir, I'm good as that $200. Be losing like crazy. Get back like $600 today. That's slow. Go on that sucker tomorrow, hopefully by the end of this week. Go to break even. Volunteer was a good play. I was gonna take it here. AMD target is right here. Oh yeah, keep going, keep going. I would target this on AMD 257.15. If I exit this on profit. AMD looks beautiful right here. The 1 hour looks horrible. Pushing up. There's any retracement on the AMD. Oh, big right there, 260. How about this one right here? Wow, that's right there. That was it right there. Gotta be out of here in 15 minutes. I gotta go to work. Go to work, make the monies. Gone up 5 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna hit that target right here, guys. Right there. Boom. Right there you got about 85. Not much money left in it. Not much money. $3.94. We're like just $10 away. $10 away from making our money on Tesla. Get that liquidity right here. Go back to day trading. This one is pumping good. Keep going. Move the stop right to here. Break even. Let's move this right here too. So move it a dot below it. I'm going to sell 25 shares right here. Guaranteed ourselves some money. So another 25. See if we can invest that in something else. Apple's cooked. Nvidia. Volunteer. I don't know if we'd have enough juice to pump another. Where's the next support on this? That's in a critical point. It did pull back and it ignored that. So is it 85.91? Coming at a close number, 86. There's SPX. Gold is dumping. JPM is dumping. Tesla's pumping. Microsoft is pumping. Netflix. It's kind of neutral. Nothing's happening here. IBM. IBM, probably the target's right here. 245, 54. I'm going to take it long. And I'm going to put take profit right here. 21 bucks. Put my stop right here. All right, guys, I got to go. Oh, we'll see how that serum goes and all that. I'm going to leave this position running. My stop is right here. My stop is right here. So we'll see if we can hit them. We'll get back like $234. We'll be down like 300 bucks for the day, probably. About 300 bucks. So we'll see. All right. Thanks for everybody for coming. I hope you follow me. And that's trading, man. We have a rough day today. Hopefully we'll pick up the right stocks tomorrow and keep going. The lesson of today, don't trade big gap stocks because you're giving out 30 and 40 cents on your profits. So these are working really well right here. This one's going to hit the target. We are at break even, so nothing to worry about here. This one, if you want, you can put your stop, because if it breaks that structure, you really don't need to deal with it.